Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Windows Security and signing in with an administrator account so you can make changes. Scan the dashboard for red or yellow alerts and note exact messages. Once done, click each core tile, Virus and Threat Protection, Firewall, Device Security, to reveal quick actions. Make sure to allow any required updates and service restarts. This first sweep clears simple blockers and prepares the system for deeper repairs. You now perform targeted repairs that fix underlying integrity and configuration issues. Start with a quick scan, then run a full scan, and if needed, Microsoft Defender offline to catch stubborn malware. Next, reset firewall settings to defaults or re-enable recommended rules so network protections are consistent. Finally, open an elevated PowerShell and run sfc/scano and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair corrupted system files. You finish by restarting the PC to apply repairs and checking Windows Update for any pending security patches that could restore features. Then open services and confirm Windows Defender Antivirus Service and Security Center are running. Restart them if necessary. If the problem persists, review Event Viewer logs for clear errors and run the built-in Windows Security Troubleshooter to capture common failures. One key tip: if an error code appears, search that code only after noting exact wording so you don't miss its specific fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.